Hey guys, welcome back to another Big Bass Bros video. In today's video, we have something going on a little bit different. As you can see on the screen, we have a wheel that is filled with a bunch of different lures from crankbaits, lipless crankbaits specifically, soft plastic worms, chatterbaits, basically anything you think of. We have a really good selection of lures here. The rules go that we each get 3 spins, which means 3 lures. Jackson's gonna go first.
By the way, all of these items are from Sportsman Outfitters. Link in the description. Go check it out. Let's see what I get.
Alright, let's go, Jack.
Okay, Z-Man chatterbait. Alright.
Okay, you're lucky for that.
I am.
You're gonna catch a tank.
But we're just gonna go for the original chatterbait. And
Alright.
it's like 3/8 ounce white. So we're gonna add this to cart.
A cart. The first item. My turn. Let's see what I can get.
I swear if you get any big, I'll be so mad. Oh my god.
Oh, let's go! Lucky off the bat, itty lure. All right, now this might take a while because I gotta look around and see what's around.
So Vibe.
Top water. We're trying top water. Actually, I like this one. I think we're gonna go black shiner. I really do like it. That's my final selection for my any lure at the cart.
See, mine's the same bait where you get your spin.
Okay.
Alright.
Blue baby.
Oh yeah, I love that color. It kind of represents a blue, that blue, and a crawdad, so.
Alright, now it is my spin, guys. Let's see what I can pick up.
I swear.
No! Now I have 2 top waters. Alright guys, since they're unfortunately out of stock in the leopard frog colorway, I'm gonna close my eyes. So we're gonna go here. I'm gonna close my eyes, whichever one I land on, I have to get it, so.
You're on one.
Cricket frog.
Okay, let's see what that is. Okay.
That's fine, I'll take that.
Add the cart.
Add to cart.
Alright.
This is Jackson's last shot. If he gets that extra lure though, that would be really nice for him.
I don't think I'm gonna get that.
Oh, we got... That's actually good.
This is what I'm gonna mainly be using. It's got the blue flakes, so.
I knew you loved the blue flakes, so I was like, I gotta add that one in.
I love blue flakes. Alright. Add the cart.
For my very last spin, let's see what I get.
Any top water. Any top water.
If I get a top water, I'm gonna be sad. Oh! No, no! Oh! Phew!
It's not fair. You can't get the same thing. You gotta get a different item.
$5 budget, alright. Blue craw. I'm going with the blue craws. Add to cart.
A few moments later.
Alright, after a few days of waiting, our box finally came in. Let's get it unboxed. So it came in some nice packaging. It's got these.
So with that being said, we have our lures. I got wrench tail cutter worm.
I got the net bait mega bobber. Just like a normal old worm with a little curly tail on the back of it.
Next up, I got the Booyah Pad Crasher.
Next up, got the white chatterbait.
I got the Super Spook Junior in a black shiner colorway.
Now for our giveaway baits.
For the giveaway, all you have to do is subscribe, comment down below. In that comment say, I subscribe. Like the video, and you're entered
To win Plopper Plopper, Finesse worm,
KVD Square Bill Crankbait, Z-Man Chatterbait.
and a Bitsy bug. It's just a jig.
Go enter in that giveaway, and now let's get straight to fishing. Alright guys, got my Super Spook Junior tied on.
Got the Krackin Craw turned on. Let's complete this challenge. I'm getting hit. Oh, that's a big fish. Big.
Jackson's got a fish on.
Big, big. I'm just kidding, guys. It's not a tank. Good.
Alright, Jackson got the first fish for this challenge.
Probably a 2-pounder on the Krackin Craw. I thought this thing was a lot bigger than it actually was. Look how he just destroyed the Krackin Craw. It's absolutely destroyed.
Nice bass, get a release on her. First bass of the challenge. Jackson's on the board.
Oh, fish. Got him. Little dink. Little bass. Got another one on the Krackin Craw. There you go, got the hook out. Let me get a release on you. Maybe I'll throw it back in there with friggin' no. If I was.
I was recording.
What?
I was recording.
Oh, here it is. Got him.
Oh, yep, Jackson beat me.
He ate the Krackin Craw with no tail. Deep, but fish and fish. There we go. That's a wrap.
With that being said, guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Check out the link in the description. Go to Sportsman Outfitters.
Go check them out.
Go get your own tackle. Jackson won with 3 fish. I caught 0 fish, unfortunately. I don't know. I was slacking today, guys. But comment W Jackson down below because he got the W. See you in the next one. Peace.